There's nothing I love more than looking through a beautiful home. And we're so lucky to have the keys to go through this family's home that they also host on Airbnb. Wow, this is beautiful.
I love this. They've done such a great job with the reno and found a way to make money from the home.
Who does live here?
Well, it's a beautiful family. It's a family of 5, so mum and dad and 3 teenage kids. And they've lived here, I think, about 15 years or so. And it's only recently they decided to host the property on Airbnb.
What a great idea. And you know what, Ez? You could part host just like the pool house.
Oh yeah, you could host on Airbnb. Yeah, you've got a separate dwelling on your property where you're still living in your home, but you just want to put this one on Airbnb and
get some extra money.
Yeah.
Just one look could change your life.
So if you've been looking for ways to make your home work harder for you, it could be the perfect way to earn extra income from your home by hosting on Airbnb.